Dalam era mobilitas yang dinamis, kita kerap dihadapkan pada tantangan serius dalam merencanakan sebuah perjalanan. Setiap individu yang sedang dalam perjalanan menuju tempat tujuan, setelah turun dari kendaraan umum di lokasi yang tidak dikenal, seringkali berada dalam situasi ketidakpastian saat merencanakan perjalanan. Kesulitan menemukan kendaraan transit berikutnya, serta kurangnya kejelasan lokasi yang ingin dicapai. Semuanya menciptakan rasa ketidaknyamanan dan kekhawatiran dalam menggunakan layanan transportasi umum.
Kalau ke arah Jakarta, naik apa ya Pak?
KRL aja tuh, karena ke Jakarta.
Tantangan berikutnya muncul ketika kita berupaya menemukan kendaraan transit berikutnya. Pilihan yang tidak jelas dan kerumitan dalam mendapatkan informasi dapat menciptakan ketidaknyamanan dan kekhawatiran. Inilah mengapa kami menghadirkan Novo Mobility sebagai solusi yang cerdas dalam mengintegrasikan semua kendaraan umum dalam satu tujuan.
Halo Novo, tunjukkan arah ke Garut.
Dengan fokus utama kecerdasan buatan dan teknologi mutakhir, Novo Mobility hadir untuk mengatasi permasalahan yang umum terjadi selama perjalanan menggunakan transportasi umum. Dengan Novo Mobility, kenyamanan dan kejelasan lokasi menjadi fokus utama. Kami bertujuan memberikan pengalaman perjalanan yang tanpa hambatan, tanpa rasa bingung, dan tanpa rasa tidak nyaman. Komitmen kami tidak hanya terbatas pada solusi perjalanan pribadi. Kami juga berupaya meningkatkan kesadaran masyarakat tentang seluruh opsi kendaraan umum yang dapat memudahkan perjalanannya. Novo Mobility, the future of smart travel. Mengubah ketidakpastian menjadi kenyamanan, menyatukan semua pilihan transportasi dalam satu teman perjalanan pintar.
Introducing Nevo Mobility, with some of our development team from cloud computing, from mobile development, from machine learning. Nevo Mobility is a smart travel transportation app that embraces artificial intelligence AI technology to provide an integrated solution for all public transportation in Indonesia. With a primary focus on simplifying travel planning and minimizing travel uncertainty and inconvenience, Nevo Mobility is not just a transportation app, but a travel companion that guides and provides up-to-date services.
Background: Indonesia continues to face significant challenge in building user trust in public transportation service. Despite the increasing potential and ease of use of technology, many travelers and locals still experience inconvenience and uncertainty when planning their trips. Our goal is to exceed user expectation, making travel planning and exploration smoother and more enjoyable by booking transit trips in one app. This is a reason for the problem we overcame. The first one, fragmentation in travel apps. Number two, lack of personalization. Number three, complexity in planning and booking. The last one is lack of comprehensive solution. Our approach embraces the concept of integrated solution in one platform, providing personalized travel guidance.
Comparison with similar existing app. Almost from several online transportation app, services don't have AI assistant, then transit integration, there are only a few of them and only cover a small target market. Then the last is ticket booking, which almost all have this service, but affordability provide all service. User persona from Mini Ramadan that he want easy booking from travel location A to location B in one app and wants personalized guidance on his journey without worry. From his desire, he argued that ride-hailing service generally only provide service on an individual basis, causing uncertainty about the final location of the itinerary and complicating the search for the next vessel.
Why our target market needs our solution? First, Nevo Mobility simplifies travel, and then travel support, and then all-in-one travel solution, and last, urban mobility solution.
The Mobile Development Learning Path. Features of the apps are first, login, logout, sync up. Second, find and order transportation. Third, date and time picker. And fourth is recommendation, destination, and transportation. Our application development used the Android Studio platform. Before that, we made a high-fidelity mockup design in Figma. We worked together with the help of Git and GitHub. When the user opens the application, the user will be present with a splash screen and onboarding screen to introduce our application. Then they will be prompt to choose whether they already have an account or not. Our login and register features use the Firebase and Firestore database to store user data in real time. We also apply machine learning technology to the questionnaire screen, where the application will display recommendation data based on the user answer choice on the home screen.
So, with this application, we can go anywhere with guided journeys, starting from specifying the starting point and final destination. Next, we can choose the mode of transportation and set the date and time for our pickup. Furthermore, we can also search for travel recommendations according to our preferences. If this application is not in use, you can the option to log out.
Okay, let's move to machine learning part. The resume recommendation page are 5, they are collect data, and the last is evaluate model. There is output the content-based filtering. In the left, there is an output of question similarity metric, and in the right, the output of correct destination with a high rating from the user.
Now is the output of collaborative filtering based on similarity between users. The model used binary cross entropy to calculate the loss function, IDEM as the optimizer, and the root mean square error as the evaluation metric. Then the top 10 tourism recommendation is shown as the output. The evaluated model of content-based filtering, the precision value, recall value, and F1 score show 1, 0. It means that the model works very well in providing tourism recommendation with content-based filtering.
Next, the output evaluate model of collaborative filtering. Obtain RMSE on validation data. This value is good enough for a recommendation system. We are using Flux to deploy machine learning models to create personalized tourism recommendation. Flux means reading and index.html visually presents our tourism recommendations, while local deployment ensures user-friendly access to our machine learning insight.
Pet cloud computing. This session, we will discuss several key components in the Google Cloud ecosystem that support and strengthen the application deployment process. The first one is cloud identity to manage user, device, and application from a central location. Cloud SQL to store navigability database. Cloud storage to store navigability file like image. Cloud IAM, it control access by assigning specific roles and permission to our group. Compute engine for API and to deploy run application with virtual machine. The last one is Google Maps API to get location information, search for destination, and plan routes. This is a screenshot of components.
Okay, this design flow starts with the user opening the Mobility app on their mobile device. The application then displays a user interface. The user enters destination information and travel dates, which are then sent to the backend server. The backend server then uses the Google Maps API to calculate travel routes by adding a database. The navigability application will be able to provide more complete and accurate information to users. Then this is the appearance of our official navigability website.
There are project milestones for 2024. We start from January until June.
We will carry out several local budgeting implementation that we have calculated, as well as several roles that we have arranged for the next 6 months. As for the sustainability of our business, so that it continues to live and develop in the future, we get income from partnering with advertising providers, advertising and promotion, and the last premium subscriptions and memberships.
That is our presentation from all of our capstone project journey. Of course, we need strong support to collaborate with various parties, and our project cannot be 100% or 70% successful without support from various agencies. We hope that Nevo Mobility can be useful in its services in Indonesia. Thank you to all of you.